All right, guys, so let's get it going here. The ice had it frozen. This fish sure is. Sure, this fish sure is almost 11 inches. So you new subscribers, if you don't know how to fillet, I use fillet knife. I use a electric fillet knife. This is a Piranha, saltwater and freshwater, Mr. Twister. This is a really, really good fillet knife. I use electric. I let it do the job for me. So you just go behind the gill plate, you slice forward, and then once you get to the bone, you flip it over. Once you feel that bone, and you go down the backbone, and just let the knife do the work for you. You basically just guiding it. Once you get to the end of the tail right here, you flip that fillet over. You guys can see that nice fillet. You get to the end of the tail and go under the tail, but don't go through it. And then just go down it. And you can actually grab this in the back of it right here and pull. And there you go, a nice fillet for you beginners if you don't know how to fillet a crappie or a fish. It ain't gotta be a crappie, they all gonna be filleted like this. Let me get my gut bucket.